Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to scan your document using your iPhone. So first of all, go to App Store and then go to search bar and search for Cam Scanner. Great. So click on this button and wait until finish installing Cam Scanner. After installing Cam Scanner, click open and click continue. Close this window and click allow. Great. So now let's scan some document. So I have here a layer of paper and I'm trying to scan it. So if you want to scan any document, click on this icon and click allow, click escape, and then scan your documents, okay, like this. So this is the paper, okay. So here you can change the color if you want, and also you can enhance the color, and you can crop the paper like this. Great. And let's make it grayscale. After that, click this icon and click share to convert to PDF. Click continue and click share PDF. Now click save to file, and here you can save it in your iPhone. Click save and it's done, okay. So if you want to open your document, go to files and here you will find your document in PDF. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching me, and don't forget thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you to the next video.